In this video, we will study about the capacitance of a cylindrical capacitor. Now, just like in the case of spherical capacitor, we had two concentric shells. So, in the case of cylindrical capacitor, we will have two concentric shells of cylinder. Now, the important thing that should be noted here that the length of the cylinder is taken very large compared to the radii of inner and outer radii of the cylinder R1 and R2 respectively. So keep in mind that L is very large. For this derivation, I can write here that L is very large than R1 and R2 inner and outer radii of the cylinder. So now in that case, if charge minus as negative charge is given to B, the negative charge is given to B, then equal and opposite charge will appear, it will be induced on the surface of A, like this. Now since L is very larger than R1 and R2, we can assume a linear charge density in the internal cylinder because its length is very large. So when the length is very large and radius are small, then this cylinder can be considered same as a wire. So we can say that when L is very larger than R1 and R2, then the charge density will be considered linear. So we will say that lambda, that is the linear charge density, will be equal to Q by L. Now if we calculate the capacitance of this system, then capacitance will be given by Q VA minus VB, where A is the inner shell of the cylinder, and B is the outer shell of the cylinder. Now E, that is the electric field, it exists between the cylinder because it has positive charge and it has negative charge. So there will be E in this direction. So we can take any point, say P, and we'll make an axis. We can take any point P at a distance x from the axis, and this value, the value of electric field at P, E at P, can be given by 2k lambda by x. This we have already studied in the previous videos. The x is the distance between the axis and the point P. So if we have to calculate the potential difference, then the potential difference VA minus VB will be equal to the integral of E dot dx. If x is shifted a little bit towards the right or little bit towards the left, say a distance dx, then the change in the potential will be given by this integral. This also we have studied in the topic of potential and potential difference. Now the limits of this will be from R1 to R2 because there will be no electric field inside the inner shell, inside the A, because it is a conductor, and there will be no electric field outside because it has this is negative charge. So the electric field will generate from this surface and it will end at this surface. So that means the potential will exist only from the surface of A to the inner surface of B. So our limits of integration will be from R1 to R2. Now here we can ignore this dot product because both E and dx are in the same direction. So we can simply write it as R1 to R2 E dx. Now putting the value of E, we will get 2k lambda by x into dx, where 2k lambda can be taken out as a constant, and the inside we will get 1 upon x dx. So VA minus VB, by using the formula for integral of 1 by x, we will get log of, and applying the limit, I'll write the final answer, R2 by R1. So this will be our expression of the potential difference between the two shells. So using this expression here, we'll get C equals to Q upon 2k lambda log R2 by R1. Now putting the value of lambda and k we substitute K as 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught and lambda as Q by L, then Q will get cancelled out, and what we are left with is 2 pi epsilon naught L upon log of R2 by R1. So this is an important result. Now sometimes we are required to find, in most of the numericals that come in competition exam, we are required to find the capacitance per unit length of the capacitor. It is a very frequently asked question. So we can see here that if we bring this L in the denominator of C, we will get this expression C per capacitance per unit length. So we'll write it here, capacitance per unit length C by L can be given as 2 pi epsilon naught ln R2 upon R1. So this is a very important formula that we are going to use in many cases in the numerical as well as in concept videos.